Health insurance is constantly changing, and what we're going to talk about in this video is health insurance. As of right now, we do not know exactly what all is going to take place with Obamacare with the new president. We're waiting to find out. Until we find out, there are certain policies that we can talk about. One is major medical, and there's pretty much three types of major medical. You have major medical sold on the Obamacare exchange, which is the old kind of health care that everybody's used to. Um, as with Obamacare, it's changed some as to basically the underwriting and guidelines and so forth, and the fees. Um, Also, things to think about and remember are basically there are tax incentives and tax penalties, which, from what we've heard, if everything changes, the tax penalties will go away. Um, Another form is group health insurance. Group health is pretty much the same thing as what we've always had with group health. Obamacare has changed it a little bit, taking away some of the pre-existing condition areas. Um, but group health is meant to be written on a group, and no, a family is not a group. A group would be a company, a small business, a fraternal organization, a government entity, those kind of things. Um, it's not basically, hi, I'm opening my own business. I'm gonna basically have just me, my wife, my kids working for me, so I want group insurance. It doesn't work that way. The other kind is what's known as a hospital indemnity plan. These were widely used for the Obamacare alternatives, and they're still being used today. They pay you so much for going to the hospital, so much for going to see the doctor, and for this, that, and the other. They will pay the doctor instead of paying you. They are classified as health insurance. Um, they tend to be cheaper than the Obamacare plans. Sometimes they can even be cheaper than your group health plans. They are not as heavily regulated, and they do have underwriting conditions. They can exclude you for things that are health conditions. Um, Sometimes they are offered with Christian organization groups. Uh, so that's basically healthcare in a nutshell. If you have more questions or are interested in a policy, please feel free to call 662-912-3914, which is Ken's Insurance Agency's number, and we'll be glad to give you a quote or give you information. Thank you and have a nice day.